How to fix Team Webhelper not responding on Windows 11. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can fix Team Webhelper not responding on Windows 11. So let's dive in. So first you have to come to your search bar, and here you have to search for Task Manager and then press enter. And then it's going to bring you to this menu, and here you have to just go to the search bar and search for Steam and then press enter. Now it's going to give you these apps over here under the process section, and you have to just click this Steam 32-bit and just right click on it and then click end task like in the background processes. And now you have to select this one option as well over here and click end task again. And now you can see there are no filter results and it has ended the task for Steam. Now close the Task Manager window by clicking this cross and head over to the search bar again. And now search for Steam again and then right click on the Steam app over here. And then you have to choose open file location. And then you have to choose the Steam again and right click on it. And then you have to choose open file location again. And now you have to scroll down until you find this Steam application folder over here and right click on it, and then you have to choose properties over here in the drop down menu and then choose compatibility in this menu. And then you have to make sure that run this program as an administrator is click checked, and then you have to click apply and then click OK. Now try loading the Steam application and see if it has helped you fix the Steam Webhelper that wasn't responding earlier. Now if it still doesn't work, just go to the search bar again, press Steam, and then you have to right click on it and then click open file location, and then you have to right click on this again and then choose open file location again, and then you have to scroll all the way up until you find this option that says bin, and then double click on the CEF folder, and then you have to choose this folder cef.win7 multiplied by 64, and then you have to just scroll down until you find the Steam Webhelper application folder over here and right click on it, and then click this delete icon over here to delete it. Now click the cross and cross the window and close it, and then you have to go to the recycle bin and right click on it and then click empty recycle bin, and it's going to fix your issue to fix Team Webhelper that wasn't responding.